Dumpster rental service in Grandville, Michigan. Are you looking for a dumpster that arrives on time and does the job right? You've come to the right place. On Time Dumpsters provides top-rated dumpster rental service in Grandville, Michigan. Whether you're cleaning up after a remodel or just doing some seasonal purging, we're here to help. We bring dependable, budget-friendly dumpster solutions to Grandville homeowners and businesses. Our team works hard to ensure your rental experience is seamless. You choose the size, schedule the drop-off, and we'll take care of the rest. Our drivers are courteous, careful, and prompt with every delivery and pickup. We understand that every project is unique, so we offer personalized advice for your needs. From bulky furniture to construction debris, we've got you covered. Our goal is to make cleanup as simple as possible. We offer straightforward pricing and zero hidden fees. We take pride in keeping Grandville clean and efficient. So, if you need reliable dumpster rental service, call us. We're ready to help make your project go smoothly. Let On Time Dumpsters be your go-to solution. Call 616-460-9554 today to reserve your dumpster. With us, getting rid of waste has never been easier.